Hello students, I welcome you all to the new chapter of MSc chapter 11, that is anger management. So students, this quote is suitable for this chapter, that the best fighter is never angry. Students, anger can be a force for good. It can move us to bring about change both in ourselves and in the world around us. However, beyond a certain point, anger can damage us and our relationships. So, students, there are some steps of virtues like being peaceful, patience, politeness, prudence in speech, and being sensitive. So students, now this is story based on Rahul, a 14-year-old boy. He was a good student, just like you all. He calculated the sums quickly, but despite of such talent and good qualities, no one wants to make him friend. His teachers tried to make friends of him, but all denied. Students, you want to know why? Because he has a problem, and the problem was that he got angry very soon. So he was favorite of nobody. All people liked to stay away from him. Rahul has a close relationship with his grandfather. So whenever he was angry, grandpa helped him to be calm down. Grandpa was loving and patient, especially with the children. He knew how to calm down everyone by kindness, means with words of kindness, smiles and ways of understanding. But on the other hand, his grandson's angerness outbursts bothered him because day by day his angerness had grown. Now one day, Grandpa was busy in watching news channel, and then Rahul started shouting on his grandpa of the high volume of TV. He said that he is to study and he cannot concentrate because so much noise is coming. His grandpa was not ready for all this, so he explained to Rahul that this was his daily time of watching the TV, and Rahul had never objected to it before. Now what happened? Rahul had walked out and shut the door. Grandpa switched off the TV and started thinking about Rahul, that what happened to him and how he to change him. He knew that his anger will create problem and will put him in great trouble one day. Rahul had shouted Grandpa, and he too felt bad for this. So he was looking excuse to talk to his grandpa. On next morning, Grandpa was mending the fence, and that time Rahul went to him and said that he don't have need to do this, and that he will do this for Grandpa, otherwise he may get hurt. Now Grandpa sat beside Rahul and looked on his son, hammered the nails into the broken fence. After some time, Rahul asked his grandpa that whether he is happy or not. His grandpa replied that no, he is not happy, and asked him to pull the nails out from the fence. Rahul did not expect this type of reply from his grandpa. He pulled out the nails and looked to his grandpa, who signaled at the holes with distaste. Rahul looked at the holes and said that he can't help it because the holes will show as so many nails are there in deep into the wood. Now students, Grandpa smiled and said that same we are doing with others and make holes in other people's hearts. He said that imagine how many holes Rahul must have created in the hearts of people because of his angerness. This time Rahul shocked and stared at his grandpa as the old man began to walk away from there. Then Rahul also followed him and sat with him quietly, but grandpa did not say much, and at last Rahul apologized and asked grandpa to forgive him and said that he will never shout like that now. He said that now he has realized that he had been hunting people with his angerness. Now he promised that he will change and learn to treat people with respect. And again, he said sorry for what he had done and asked him to give one more chance that he can change himself. Now, Grandpa smiled like never before and hugged Rahul tightly. Now both were so happy. So students, the moral of the story is that we should not show anger. We should always cool and calm. By this, we can be good in others' eyes. So students, anger is completely normal, usually healthy, human emotion. But when it gets out of control and turns destructive, it can lead to problems in the overall quality of your life. So control your anger before it controls you. Now here I am going to end this chapter of anger management, and I hope that you will become happy always and don't do anger. So students, go through your exercises and question answers. Okay, now I am going to stop this chapter and we will meet in next chapter. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you students. Bye bye.